Go forward, go forward.
Yeah.
Yeah. And then a bit more late because the line.
Yeah.
Good. That's it. We're in Smart's lane right now.
What's that?
So we're in Smart's lane. It's in Loughton, but it's one of the CHINGFORD test routes as well.
Oh.
Let's get an idea. Take the next road on the right, please. Turn right. Good. So the positioning is there. Move to your left a bit. Look in the road and turn now.
Yeah.
But look ahead. That's it, because it's bend, and there you are. As you enter here, now you have no choice but to go on the wrong side of the road. There you are. Go. Good. Speed limit's in front of you here. There you are. So it just reminds you. And always keep repeating yourself as well that the speed limit is 30 miles per hour at the moment. Good. There you are. Carry on now. You just keep your way, which was quite nice. Big smile. Say thank you. Move off the gas. Good. There we are. Good. And there we are. As you can see, this road is very narrow, so you just take your time. What's the first thing you do? When you see an oncoming vehicle, what's the first thing you always do?
I don't know.
When someone's coming towards you,
Yeah.
what's the first thing you do? I just pointed it as well.
The mirror?
Always check your mirror. When somebody's coming towards you,
Yeah.
it's meeting oncoming vehicle, isn't it?
Yeah.
So you want to know what's behind you, don't you?
Right.
So any hazard you see, the first thing you should do is always check your mirrors. Then your awareness is, you can see what's ahead of you, but then you'll know what's behind you as well. You see what I mean? So you keep it yeah, like that. Now your awareness is better. You know if somebody's behind you or not. Like at the moment, there's no one, which is fantastic, and it's clear. Okay. Now start planning what you can see down the road. What can you tell me? Please tell me what you can see.
Bend.
Correct. And the bend is going towards
The left.
Okay. Do you think that's a bit fast approaching the speed to the bend?
Maybe.
Maybe.
Yeah.
Did you do your 2 mirror checks before the bend and approaching it? Yeah, you see? Even though we've been covering mirrors so much at the moment. Now, like that car ahead of you can see down the bottom there. You see that turning? Yes? That's a Y junction.
Yep.
Alright, now we're going to slow. We're going to take the next road on the right and then turn right onto the main road. Yeah? At the Y junction. You see that?
So we're
slow
turning
down.
to where that
Same as
car is.
yeah. So signal to your right now.
Yeah.
Position to your left. Keep on your side of the road, which is over here.
Yep.
That's it. Wait for them to go before stop
Yep.
here. So we don't go behind them because we don't block up the road. You see that there? We keep our distance like that. Yeah. We wait for them to go. There. Now you can enter into the junction, but look left. That's it. So no one's coming here. As you enter into here, there you are. It says 40 miles per hour. Signal again to your right. Good. There we go. Just remember, don't take a risk. Yeah, we're not in a hurry. We've got to make sure it's safe and convenient. Now, start creeping out slowly. Just there, that's it, good. Just stop, he's coming very fast, that car's on the right, yeah? Let's look left. Okay. And we can go. Speed limit. Yes, and that's it. Carry on now, go on. Good. Good. Keep going, it's far. That is your Y junction. Good. Now there's no road markings here, yeah? But you have to, knowing that the road is going around to the, pulling it around to the left.
Yeah.
Good. Good. So again, shortly we're coming up to another Y junction. Again, we're going to take the next road on the right and then turn right again at the end. So yeah, I'll let you know. I'll give you a bit of heads up when we're coming to it, you know? Always remember that when we're going for any bit of driving, we just drive. A road is a road. We're not like doing certain specific of like learning this test routes only. It's about just reading the road when they give you an instruction how you deal with it from that point onwards. So after this vehicle on the right, we're going to take the next road on the right, and then at the end of road turn right again. So here we are. Here's the Y junction. Can you see that now?
Yep.
There we go. Look at the markings now. The double lines and single lines. Can you see that?
Yep.
There we are. Now turn. Good. That's it. And then straighten up again. And then as you straighten up, you can signal to your right again now. Yeah, signal again to your right. Good. You see, when you straighten your wheel up, it goes off again. See what I mean? Yeah. And there we are. And that's your Y junction done again now. Is that any better?
Yep.
Yeah.
I still would like to learn what that other junction type was.
Yeah. I don't know where that was, but hopefully we'll, if we come across it, then we'll deal with that then, you know?
Yeah.
Good. At the end of the road, turn right, please. Good. And now there's no speed limit signs, but we're coming into a 40-mile-per-hour road, yeah?
Mhm.
Yeah. Can't pull it,